Hi everybody, Joe Zito with Edwards Platt & Dealey here again. We're going to be taking a look at Schier grease interceptors. We're going to be going over the versatility of them, as well as what comes inside of each one and how to install them. So when you get the GB 1, 2, or 3, take off the 4 bolts, unscrew them, they come out and you're right inside of the unit. As you can see here, there's a bag of parts that comes, and then the inside of the inlet and the outlet diffuser. So inside each unit, there's a bag full of parts that comes and the instructions. As you can see here, they are 4-inch thread on all 4 sides. They give you an adapter to go from 4-inch thread to 3-inch hub or down to 2-inch hub. They give you 2 of each. Then they give you plugs, blank plugs. And then the most important pieces they give you is the GPM flow adapters. And that's what makes these versatile, is that one unit can be used for 2 different GPMs. And I'm going to show you now how to install them. So as you can see here on the inlet diffuser, there is a red cap that twists and comes out. Each one of these flow controls will have a 25 GPM or a 20 GPM. Say you needed the 20 GPM. You take the unit. So say you need a 25 GPM. You take the cap off, slide out the 20 GPM, slide in the 25 GPM, and now you have a 25 GPM and it's locked in place. That's how simple these are to get different flow rates based on your needs in the field. So the versatility of the Schier grease interceptors, GB 1s, 2s, and 3s, is that you can get these on site and you can install them either above ground or below ground. Sometimes you're going to need an extension to bring these up higher, which they make is what they call an FCR1. Comes in a separate box. You open it up, it comes with a ring, and it comes an extension. So the FCR1 has a 12-inch height. As you can see, it has 4 bolts, holes, and a gasket that sits right on top of where the cover was. Comes with 4 bolts as well. So you would be using 8 bolts, 4 for the cover and 4 for the collar. So these 4 would go in and mount to the bottom of the unit to hold the cover extension down. Then you would take this collar, which goes on and locks into place. Once that's installed, you put your cover in its place. Now the great versatility of these is that you can mark this where you would need the height to get to your finished floor, and then you just go along and cut it, and then move the ring to where it has been cut. Backfill, and you're ready to go. There's no ordering of an extension, specific heights. You can make that height adjustment and accurate right in the field. You can go 2 of these to make it a 25-inch extension. Typically, that would be the highest that you would need. The other point with these GB 1, 2s, and 3s is that when these need to be pumped out, typically they would have to drag a hose through the restaurant, through the school, to get inside one of the ports and pull the grease out, pump them out. Schier actually makes what they call a pump out port, which is a PP1. So inside the PP1 box comes the instructions, cam lock fittings, the reducer, your connection on the inside, and then it comes with a piece of PVC pipe that you would cut to adjust. So say you wanted to bring the pump out port and have it on this side right here. There is other size that you can come out of. They actually have this on the direct opposite, and then you have the other piece for the inlet and the outlet. Now these green mechanical fittings that are on the inside are adjustable. So if you needed to adjust this to have the outlet on this side, you can just unscrew this, and turn it into the side. But say we want to pump out on this side, take the fitting, goes on, it locks in. As you can see, there's a groove right here. It locks right. Now, as you can see here on them, they give you a GB1, a GB2, or the full length is a GB3. What happens is then this piece gets cut to a GB1, which is right here, that line, and then would connect and goes down to the bottom of the unit. And this is where they would pump it out. Now, based on your local codes, you can actually run PVC pipe out of this. So you would be able to put in a bushing down to 3-inch, or you can run 4-inch for your cam lock fitting. That would be able to run pipe all the way outside. They give you the fitting that locks in, and then you can actually put a lock in it. This gives you the ability to have your waste removed in the middle of the night, in the middle of the day, whenever is convenient, without dragging a hose through your building or your school. Please follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram. And if you have any other questions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.